Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. Tony Best Cosmetics, where we give the best reviews about skincare and hair care products. Today, I will review more about a popular product which most of you knows about it. It is called Dr. Teal's Body Wash. But before I start, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, it very important. And make sure you click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever we upload new video. Dr. Teal's Body Wash with Pure Epsom Salt. The body wash glows and radiance with vitamin C and citrus essential oil. Vitamin C promotes glowing, youthful skin, and citrus essential oils help uplift mood, and aloe vera, shea butter, and vitamin E help to hydrate the skin. Dr. Teal's Glow and Radiance Body Wash helps hydrate and condition skin. Aloe vera, shea butter, vitamin E, and pure Epsom salt magnesium sulfate USP nourish and moisturize. Antioxidant-rich vitamin C helps promote glowing, youthful skin, while citrus essential oils help uplift your mood. How to use Dr. Teal's Body Wash. Apply a generous amount of Dr. Teal's Body Wash to your hands, washcloth, or poof, and gently massage all over your body for ultra moisture and total rejuvenation, before risen with water. Note it is for external use only as directed. If it enters your eyes, rinse thoroughly with clean water. Stop using it if rash, redness, or itching occurs. Consult a physician if irritation persists, and keep out of reach of children. Benefits of using Dr. Teal's Body Wash. 1. It helps to promote glowing skin. 2. The essential oil helps to uplift a good mood skin. 3. It helps to hydrate the skin. 4. It moisturizes the skin. 5. It brightens dull skin. 6. Achieve glowing and youthful skin from the effects of vitamin C. Side effects of Dr. Teal's Body Wash. The body wash doesn't have side effects. According to those who have used the body wash has confirmed that there are no side effects. Does Dr. Teal's Body Wash contain hydroquinone? No, it doesn't contain hydroquinone. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any question, use the comment section, you will get a reply soon. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, so you can be able to see our next video.